Hi, morning. Hi, everyone. I see we have two people waiting. Thank you so much. I know I've been putting you on hold for long. Thank you so much for joining my live today. And also, you can engage me on the comment section. You can send me any question. And so, we can check out the market today and kindly type on the comment section which pairs you're looking forward to for me to check. And so, if you are hearing me, if you can hear me clearly, type yes, type yes on the comment section. Yeah, as we wait for others to join. Can you hear me? Eric Kamau is saying yes. Okay, thank you. And I see we have more than 4 people. Okay. Guys, keep on typing yes if you can hear me. Let's get to over 10 people on YouTube. Micro Teach is saying yes. Yes, someone else, if you can hear me and see me, let me share also my screen. And then Christina Nyamoya, yes. Thank you so much, Christina. I've seen you today. Yeah. Let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, Dennis Musia is saying yes. Okay. Okay. I don't know where people are going, but we have more than 4 people on live. Okay, so hit the like button and make sure you hit the notification bell. Okay, so let me go live now. Share my screen. Okay. We have more than 7 people. Thank you for joining to my YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting me each and every day. So I'll go directly. Also, let's engage before I go on the market, like analyzing the market. Let's engage so I can see which pair you are looking for me to analyze for you. Which pair are you looking for today? And today's on a Friday, and it's the end of the week. I know the week has been so long because we have had a lot of fundamentals, a lot of impulsive movement having in the market, and crazy movement. Actually, we had the movements on GU, on gold during the Trump win, and all those. So, can I want people you write on the comment section which pair you're looking for me to check for you. I have several pairs, so I have only 3 pairs. That's why I'm going live on YouTube to present to you guys. But I will be kind enough to check for pairs that you request on your comment section. So you can engage on the comment section, guys. And those on TikTok, guys, I'm live on my YouTube channel. Go live on my YouTube channel or type hit the link on my bio so they can find me on my YouTube channel. Yeah. So Dennis Musa is saying I can check gold for him. And which other pair, guys, you don't need to check? And which other pair? Okay, and also someone is saying Pamela is saying USD Start with GU and Euro USD and USD GBP JPY. I can see you have the pairs that I'm looking for to analyze today. Yeah. So because I can be able to read the comment section, I have to get my other phone. So just 1 minute, I get my other phone. Okay, I'm back. So someone is saying I check GU, also micro teach GU. Okay, keep engaging with me on the comment section, and so as I can read the comment, I'll have to open my phone here. And those on TikTok, kindly follow me on the chosen daughter. Kindly follow me on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so as you can see the morning analysis. I am not showing the morning analysis on. Can you see whether I'm live? I don't know why it's not showing that I'm live on my YouTube channel. It shows now. The moment you click the bar, it shows that I'm live. Okay. Okay. It seems we have a. Okay, so we can go straight to analysis. I can share my screen. Okay, so I'm live on my YouTube channel. So Kuja, So if you're on my TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. I'm live. Okay, so I'll start with someone is saying, can you start with GU? So I start with GU and the one I'm opening now. Okay, you can keep on engaging me on my YouTube channel and on the comment section. So this is GBPSD. I'll remove all the drawings. Okay, so we did the analysis from. Can you hear me, guys? If you can hear me, type yes, so that I know I'm loud and clear. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Just type yes. I see the last comments on micro teach saying GU. Pamela say you okay, okay. So this GPPSG. On GPPSG, we had this order block which was really respected. You know, last time I educated you guys on how to observe a really valid order block, and I said that an order block is the one that the market within the time frame doesn't break the structure, doesn't break or hold the candlestick doesn't break or hold below the order block. So this order block was really respected on daily time frame. Okay. So note that on this area, we have another structure that possibly is being formed. Okay. So we have this order block. If this order block is respected, I expect this all buys to go all the way to this particular point, to come back to this particular point. Okay. So someone is saying is an USD JPY. I'll check all them. So coming back to that's on daily time frame. We have seen that daily time frame. Coming back to coming back to 4 hours. This is on 4 hours on GU. Okay. So coming back on 4 hours, there's a structure which is being formed here. And I saw this structure yesterday. I saw there's a head and shoulder, this, the market structure of a head and shoulder. Okay. This is in 4 hours. And note that the market has already touched the order block. Okay. And then we have this is the structure high, which will confirm for us for more overall buys. Okay. Then we narrow down to 4 hour now. If you don't understand why I mark a particular zone, you just comment on just put a comment down and ask me why did I mark a particular zone. So you didn't get why I put that zone. Okay. So this is on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we have this formation of a head, shoulder, and shoulder. And this market current is back to the shoulder again. Okay. So according to me, right now, I would say that since the OB on a higher time frame, let's say on the weekly time frame also. Okay. So let me show you. This is on daily time frame. GU from way previously, GU has been very bullish because you can see it has been created a series of high, low, creating another high, low, high, and then back all the way to the order block, respecting this order block. Okay, so I said if the market structure, you see on a lower time frame, like maybe on daily time frame or 4 hours, we have been experiencing a little bit of correction. So I said whenever we have a little bit of correction, for us to fully confirm that the buyers have really kicked in, we have to see a reversal structure or a breakout structure, maybe on the 1 hour or 4 hours. That is confirming for us that the market is really now changing continuing the direction of the bullish movement. Coming back to 4 hours, there's not any breakout structure here because okay, so we have no, this is the structure high. The market has not been able to break this structure to confirm for us that the buys are still really valid, that the buys are still now kicking in well. And you see now the market is still running on the lower time frame of the bearish movement, and now there's a formation of a head and a shoulder and a shoulder. You see? Okay. So for me to confirm that this market is really bullish, so this is the only views I have on this market. So if I'm willing to buy this market, is when this market has broken this structure from this structure, broken this structure, retested, and then we continue way high. That's how confirming the overall direction that the market is going way high. But if it's on a bearish movement, I would now sell on this particular head and shoulder that we have here. We have a short position here, and my stop loss above way the shoulders, and I target the way lower that is here. That's my bias on Geo. So those on Geos, you can keep on commenting and ask me more question on it. So if you're live on my, I'm not seeing anything. I'm live on YouTube. So if you're on TikTok, kindly go on YouTube channel. Okay, so those on Geo, you can ask me more question on it. So that's the view on my Geo. These are the reason. I've given my reason why. On sales, my sales price at this particular level because the market has not broken the structure way high to show me that the bullish are kicking in. And I said, if the buyers kick in, unless they break this structure, they make a new high here, I wait for another retest, and then we continue buying. That's the views on GU. The next question is on someone is saying to I check from them GBP JPY. Okay, this GBP JPY. I had analyzed actually GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Let's show you. Okay, before we go on with GBP JPY, we'll have to check on the JPY basket. Okay, so we have to come back to JPY basket. Oh, okay. So let me educate you something today. So how is an order block being formed? So whenever we have a major zone and there's a red candle being formed, like this one which is being formed here. So if you can only see this on when you're only on my YouTube channel. So this red candle being formed here and is guided by a green candle. So that's an order block being formed. So the only way you can make a decision that if this market, if this market closes with the same way structure that is within the time frame of 1 hour, leaving this red candle guided by the green candle, this is being formed here. This is an order block and indicating that this market will break this structure high and create another high. So meaning we are expecting more buys. But if this candlestick close with the red bearish, like in the red color, it shows that the market is going to drop. So let's come back to this, because the moment you analyze GBP JPY, you have to do the correlation between the GBP JPY and the JPY basket. So this JPY basket, we can see the JPY basket is on a major zone, on a resistance zone. Okay, and we go back to GBP JPY. Coming back to GBP JPY, and okay, so for me, this is GBP JPY. This is the way I was viewing GBP JPY. I was looking forward for buys on GBP JPY, and this is the reason why. The reason why is because JPY basket has reached to a very major zone, has gotten to a very major, which is a very resistance zone. If you can hear me, I'm buys and so I'll go all the way again down. No, so I'm expecting buys on GBP JPY. So this is the reason why you can see JPY basket has touched a major surprise zone, not a major, like a major resistance zone, and it's showing a little bit of collection. And JPY basket, the same way we are here on a major zone. Let me show you GBP JPY. We are on a major zone, and I was expecting the moment it formed this way, I expected it to come and test this order block. I've seen a smaller order block here. So this is the only final decision we have on Pamela Waguya. This is the only final decision we have, these buys here. So I'll be looking for buys at this particular level with a very tight stop loss. Because of this, you see this one which was being left here. I expected the market to come back again there, and my stop loss way there, and I target now 1 hour, and I will target this market come back all the way here. That's my view on GBP JPY. So my stop loss way here. So I think I have a stop loss of less than 10 pips. So risking it will not be very much hard for me because I have a very manageable stop loss. Yes, a manageable stop loss, and my target, my risk reward ratio is adding up. That's my view on GBP JPY. I'm on buys, so it will go all the way down again. No. If you have a buys, where did you take your buys, Pamela? Where did you take your buys? Also, engage me on the comment section. Can you hear me? I don't know if you guys you can hear me. I still have over that people live here on YouTube. So if you can, we are not seeing. I'm live on YouTube. I'm on live on YouTube. So that's the view on GBP JPY. I see someone else to check. Please start with USD JPY also. USD JPY. USD JPY. Haven't checked USD JPY for a while. I haven't been trading because I've been trading more of GBP JPY. Okay. This is on 4 hours. This is on 4 hours. This is on 1 hour. So Pamela is saying she's buys on GU. For me, whenever I analyze a market like GBP JPY, the same buyer that remains when it comes to also on USD JPY. So my still buyers on USD JPY and GBP JPY are always the same. Because they have a positive correlation, unless there is fundamental. And kindly, we didn't check the fundamentals we have today. Let's check on Forex Factory. Today's on a Friday. Guys, you can ask me questions on the comment section. Yeah, today's on Friday. We have on the card news, employment change and unemployment. So you don't have a lot of fundamentals of experiencing them today. Okay. So check on GU. Oh, buys on GU. Why did you take your buys, Pamela, on GU? Why did you take your buys? I'm checking on the comment section so that I can be able to reply all the comments. And Pamela is saying she's on buys on GU. So let me present, because I see a lot of people are not asking which pairs should I check. So I'll present the pairs that I'm here to present for you today, because I called this live because I had several pairs that I'm looking forward to show you. Okay, so let me show you, go directly to the pairs, and I show you. This is not Euro card. I had not. Let me show you the pair that I'm looking forward to. Okay, so this is a pair that I wanted to check. This is US oil, and on US oil, you can see on daily time frame, it's forming a formation of a head and a shoulder, and the market that's reached a very point of interest, which is the shoulder part. And which one thing you have to know, that as shoulders, they are very powerful when it comes to the market structure. For me, on US oil, I'll be looking for more sales on US oil, and attach stop loss above where it is high. So for this US oil, I'll be looking for sales and a stop loss way above there, and I'll target my TP1 here at the shoulder part. And let's go to another pair. Which other pair? Someone is saying I check for them XAUSD. Okay, I'm checking gold also. Why did I mark this Euro USD that zone? Oh, okay. So on Euro USD, I was waiting for this market to charge at this particular zone, because Euro USD, we experienced a reversal structure. A reversal structure, you can clearly see it here. We have the head, the shoulders, which is an inverse head and shoulder, and then back on 1 hour, we had an order block, and I'm waiting for this market to tap on this order block so they can see the reaction on which is going to be formed on the 1 hour, so they can give me confirmation for more buys on Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I'll be checking on this particular zone, this zone, to be looking for buys. Okay, and you know how to know a valid order block and an invalid order block. So it really depends. So a valid order block is when this market touches this zone but unable to close way below. Okay, okay, Euro AUD. Okay, so this is the pair that I was looking forward to have. Okay, one of the A setups that they do mark is like this one, and Euro AUD. So if you are live on my YouTube, Euro AUD is an A setup. So whenever I do analysis, I do so many analysis compared to like the normal analysis. So you find I'll do analysis for more than like around 10 pairs. And the moment I do the analysis of 10 pairs, I'll come up with an A setup. An A setup is the analysis that is giving me more high probability chances than the pairs that I had analyzed way earlier. So for the pairs that I've checked, the moment you hear me saying that this is an A setup for me, is a pair that I'm really valuing it, because the setup is giving more high probability than the pairs that I did analysis, compared to the other pairs that I did. So checking on Euro AUD, and for these pairs, you can see on 4 hours. Let me show you. On 4 hours, we have these order blocks, this zone which is left here, and then when I exit this zone on the left, you can see the market structure that is on the left, yeah. You can see the market structure that is being formed there. So for me on this pair, I'll be waiting for this market to come back to these order block zones so as I can wait for a good sales. So this one is an A setup. You can have your pending orders on Euro AUD. That's the sell zone for Euro AUD. So this one is the one that I came live today on YouTube, so I can show you. And Euro AUD, we have an A setup on it on 4 hours. So wait for the market come back to this zone on 4 hours, so as you can shoot your shot. So I'll be looking for setups look like this. So I'll be looking for a short position at this particular zone, and I have my stop loss way above here a little bit there. And does Euro AUD have a pip value? Anybody who trades Euro AUD on my comment section, can you tell me if Euro AUD is it Euro card or Euro AUD? Does Euro AUD have a pip value? Okay, let's see. Oh, the stop loss here. Oh, Euro AUD has a very big pip value. Yeah, so I'll have my stop losses way there, above there, and I'll target there. The risk reward ratio is that up, and this one is an A setup for me. Okay. Those on my TikTok, kindly to update you that I'm live on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see me on my YouTube channel, kindly go to Dr. Forest on the link on the bio on my profile, so you can be able to see me live on YouTube. Okay. So that's the gymnastic show. So that's the pair on Euro AUD. So that's on Euro AUD. So I took a buy on GU at 1.2905. So this one I can only be able to assist those people on my YouTube channel watching me. So I'll check on you, Pamela. Let me see Pamela pair, and she says she's on GU, and you took a buy at 2905. You're still holding the buy. I would say that you have to secure your profit, because for me at that particular level, I see more drops on GU, because the GU touches a very vital zone of a reversal structure. So I would advise you to have either to secure your profits or have your stop loss at break even, or secure your profit or have a stop loss at break even. Yeah. So the next pair that I was going to check was I've checked was it Euro card? Yeah. Euro AUD. The Euro AUD is the one I was checking out. This is a pair that I was checking out. Euro AUD. And then I had a pair on CHF. Let me show you. And also for those on NZD card, this is a flag being formed here. So I expect more buys on NZD card. This is a flag being formed here. I expect more buys on the NZD card. Card JPY. No, actually I don't state the card JPY. The moment I take GJ, I like GBP JPY a lot. And this GBP AUD. So I had a view on GBP AUD. Let me remove drawings and I show you. GBP CHF. So on GBP CHF, this one is the market had a very good trend and it has been broken. So for GBP CHF, you have to be very, very, very having a tight stop loss. But for this one, I know I know this one is very crazy one, but I'll be looking for a sales on GBP CHF. This is the reason why, because I see the market has already even closed below the trend line, my trend line, which I was looking for. I'll be looking for sales at this particular level and a tight stop loss way here. And GBP CHF has a very big spread, so I'll be looking for that, and I'll be looking for this drop, or this drop, all the way targeting away here on GBP CHF. Yes, and the entry for this confirmation can only be confirmed the closure of the current 1 hour, because if the current 1 hour close with a bearish, then it will confirm for me. So like a scenario like this one, you see the way we have this red candle being formed here, and it's broken this structure here. So unless this red candle breaks close as a bearish, it will confirm for me, because for me more bearish on this movement. But if course with a bullish engulfing the red candle, it shows me that this is another block being formed here and we're expecting more buys. But for me, I'll have the confirmation on GBP CHF once the 1 hour close candlestick. Okay, Euro GBP. I don't like Euro GBP. I don't trade it unless you're on the comment section and you trade GBP, Euro GBP. Ask me a question about it. Yeah, Eurocard. Okay, so coming back to Eurocard, this market has this is another A setup that I have. So on A setup, we have how many pairs? We have I have shared two A setup. No, this is the second one. So I've shared one A setup. This is another second A setup. And if you've been following me with my analysis, you find that I do have the A setup. The A setup is the priority, which I know they have high probability and high winning rate and giving me potential good profits. So I have done an A setup on Euro AUD. I've done a setup on where's my cursor? I've done an A setup on Euro AUD. This is a setup I've done on Euro AUD with a zone on 4 hours. And then the other A setup that I was looking forward to share with you is a AUD card. This is the AUD card. And the reason why I'm looking forward for this pair is that you can see that this market structure, those on my TikTok, kindly, I'm live on YouTube. You can only access my live YouTube, this live analysis on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and on my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is linked on my bio on my TikTok page. So you can go and search at Dr. Forex on my YouTube so you can be able to see me. Okay, so I mean, on 4 hours, back to YouTube, on 4 hours, this is an A setup because the market broke this structure, which is the trend line that we are experiencing here. And then I'm waiting for this market to come and test this order block, which was left on 4 hours. On testing order block, it's also coming back on order block, it's coming back to test also an order block which is formed there and the break of structure, break of the trend line. So for me, this is the way I'm going to view this market. I'll be looking for more buys at this particular zone and continue buying all the way up here. So these are very good swing trade. So I'll have my entries, but now, we have observed the order block on 4 hours. So the confirmation of the entry should be seen on 4 hours. So Pamela, I have two pairs that I'm giving you to observe. It's AUD card and AUD card and this pair, Euro AUD. And the same way, you can see that Euro AUD and AUD card. There you see there's the AUD is on the base when it comes to AUD card. How do you know that your analyses are correct? Is the moment you do a correlation, because for a correlation, like say, we are checking, let me do something like this. We are talking about AUD card, AUD card, and Euro AUD. Let me expand this to, yeah, this is 16. Okay, so let me add Euro AUD. So you see, so whenever you do an analysis such of two pairs like AUD card and Euro AUD, and you find that you're looking for buys on AUD card and Euro AUD, that's when you know that your analysis are wrong. Because for them, it's like now you have a base currency on AUD card as AUD as a base currency and Euro AUD as a quote currencies. So meaning they should go on a negative correlation. So meaning if you are looking buys here, you should be looking for sales on this area. So on AUD card, we are looking for buys, and Euro AUD, we are looking for sales. And that's what makes you give you a stronger confirmation for your analysis also. It's the same way like you can check on Euro USD and GBP USD. You find that you are buying Euro USD and you're selling GBP USD. That's when you know that you are totally wrong on your analysis. The moment you find yourself in that scenario, just quit all position or just look for one full confirmation for you to go on buyers on one side, because you can buy this one side and sell the other side on it. Okay, so on the other last pairs that I'm checking, so I see we have over 30 people live on YouTube. On the other pair, that you want the guys for me to watch, to check out for you, which other people are talking about gold. Okay, and let me tell you, for safe money, if you are willing to trade gold, know that you are willing to risk, because gold is very, 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 very volatile. Did you see the other day of Trump being announced as the winner? Gold moved over 800 pips, and one thing I have to tell you is that gold is very volatile. And if you're not willing to, if you don't need a lot of pressure in the market, because I believe that trading should be peaceful. For me, I believe trading. Just a moment, I put a charge on my laptop. I see I can. Just a moment. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, we are connected now. So what I was talking about gold is that for me, I believe trading is very peaceful. And for those people who know me for quite of a time, I step down from gold. I rarely do trade gold. Gold is not my day in, day out. But for me, currencies, I find them they are very peaceful and I find them that are very make good money. In trading, you have to find an edge. Doesn't mean that having one big winning rate doesn't make you profitable. It's a consistency. How do you become a profitable trader? For you to become a profitable trader is having a consecutive winning rate, meaning you're winning rate today, tomorrow, the next day, and the other day, and you are trading with so much confidence. But if you have one winning rate on gold, doesn't mean that you are a profitable trader or you're good in trading. It's the consistency of making money in trading that make you a profitable trader. So I can read the comment sections also. And another thing is people need to be bold, meaning that if you step down from gold, if you step down from doing if you step down from maybe this volatile market which put your capital at risk, doesn't mean that you're a weaker person when it comes to trading. Doesn't mean that you don't know how trading, or doesn't prove to people that this guy or this person doesn't it doesn't do the real thing, or you don't have to trade gold so as you can be the bossier person in trading. You can make money in other avenues. It mean you can focus your energy on putting on analysis and having a proper strategy on analyzing other currencies. Actually, I don't see it on the watch list, on my watch list. Is it on my watch list? I don't think. Okay, it's here. Don't try me to retest this zone. Oh, guys, can you see what I've drawn on the charts? So for me here, what I can see is a reversal structure. We can see the inverse, the head, shoulder, and the shoulder. You can see it has a proper analysis. And then we have a breakoff structure on the lower side, and then we have a retest again on the structure. And then I'm experiencing for more drops on it. So this is the view on it. Oh, so for more drops again, I would experience for more drops when the market come again this area. This is where I can be looking for more sales. So if you're looking forward to trade gold, be looking forward to have your entries here. And guys, please don't try to buy gold. Gold is bearish. Have you heard about what are we trying to project here? So the other day we had the US election, and the reason why we were trying to focus to see who is going to win between Kamala Harris or Donald Trump is between their principles. Did you see what Donald Trump did? The first thing he got, the moment he was announced as a winner, he called the Israel and told them that by the time he's getting to the office, all those wars they are going around should end. And you know what? This what those geopolitical things, and they are the ones which have been driving gold way higher. Okay, coming back also on the technical way, we can clearly see that the market has already done a reversal structure. So don't try to force gold to make another new high over 2800. For me, I'm bearish on gold. And bearish on gold, I can clearly see that there's a breakout structure here, as the same way I've shown you. Breakout structure, a reversal structure of a head, shoulder. This is the buyers. We are dropping again. We have a breakout structure. The market come back again, and there is just this area. And then I'm expecting this market to continue dropping. So the next drop on gold is either the market leave an order block, but currently the only order block we have is this area. So I wait for this market to come back, because honestly, gold, you can take gold here, because the moment you take gold here, you have your surplus way here. This is a big risk that you're taking. So my view on capturing this entry, my view on capturing this entry, I can only enter this market the moment the market gets You see, it's over 120 pips that stop loss. So that's not reasonable for me having a stop loss of more than 100 pips. So I can only enter this trade the moment get coming back to this order block on there. So any other view? So I'll be looking for entry when the market comes back to this zone. More comments, so as we can see other pairs. So okay, so the other pair we're at which other pair? Why am I not seeing the comment? I can see more comments again. Okay, NZDCHF. Okay, so on NZDCHF, this is the view I have on NZDCHF. Checking out here, I would be looking for more buys on this reversal area because currently the market is showing us a reversal. You can see we have a total zone here and we have the head and the shoulder. So the next buying point for me, this area, and this is another A setup. So currently we have three A setup. We have AUD, we have AUD card and Euro AUD. So the third A setup we have is NZDCHF. On NZDCHF, we can only please can you share the pair you're trading on? Isaac Ebel, I'm live on YouTube, so I'm not live on TikTok. So I was just forgot that I'm live on YouTube. Okay. So can you please repeat analysis on UJ? I was late. Okay, so I'm talking about on NZDCHF. On NZDCHF, we can clearly see that the market is doing a reversal. So the only point I can have my entry point is at this particular level and continue buying. And I will have a good proper risk management on a stop loss. So I'll be going long of position here, a long position and a stop loss way below the zone. So my stop loss will be considered on this zone, which is the other side of the shoulder. And yeah, having a stop loss there is way more reasonable. So far we have three A setups. So we have Euro AUD, AUD card, no, Euro AUD and AUD card and NZDCHF. Those are the A setups we have. Yeah. Guys, can you hear me properly? Those live on YouTube. We have more than 22 people here. Can you hear me? Okay, so I don't think I had another pair that was I had another A setup. I had only those three pairs. Oh, okay, and AUDCHF. Oh, okay, so AUDCHF, the same case. We have this order block being left here. The order block is on the 4 hours, so I'll be looking for market to come back the way back again to this order block. Considering this order block, we have the inverse. We have the head and the shoulder. So you can see the AUDCHF and this pair that I've done, you can see AUDCHF and NZDCHF, they all have the same kind of structure, meaning our analysis, most of the analysis, they are correlating. So you can see we did an analysis on NZDCHF. We have a reversal structure expecting it on 4 hours. All these pairs, you can have your pending orders waiting there. And then AUDCHF, the same way, we have a reversal structure. We have an order block here on 4 hours. I can have my waiting pending orders there, looking for more buyers. And looking, we have an inverse head and shoulder that is being formed on 4 hours, shows us a reversal structure. So these are another. So we have four setups, A setups currently. That's AUDCHF, NZDCHF, Euro AUD, now AUD card. Those are the four setups we have. So AUDSD, I haven't checked AUDSD, but I don't have on the USD pairs. That's why you see I'm reluctant on the Euro USD, AUDSD, NZDUSD, and GU. Those I really want to see what the direction the market is really focusing on. That's why you see I'm focusing on AUD card, Euro AUD, NZDCHF, and AUDCHF. Those are the pairs that I have today. So unless on the comment section you want me to engage on any other pair, which other pairs, please can we see the charts? Oh, no, I'm live on YouTube. So if you want to see my live analysis, I'm live on, I can show you. TikTok nowadays ban people doing analysis here. So on the on the comment section on YouTube channel, so I want to see how many more pairs that you want me to check, because I have already exhausted. So the pairs that we are looking for, the A setups we have, and I will share them also on my, no, I won't share them. So anybody, you can be coming to my live analysis and see what we are doing, so as you can learn something. Yeah. So I will not share them on the TikTok. I wanted to share them, not TikTok. I wanted to share them on my, what do you call it? This Telegram. Yeah. So for you to be following up, I want you to be coming to my live unit and see how we are doing analysis from the start to the last, so as you can capture the concept. So on the A setup, I'll repeat again: AUD CHF, NZD CHF, AUD CAD, and Euro AUD. Those are the only setups we have. And I can see, shout out to Miriam, don't delete this live. I won't delete this live. You can repeat it again on my YouTube channel. You'll view it again. And thank you so much to Pamela. Pamela is my big fan. I can see that she's on the comment section. Mike Rotich and the Gymnastic Show. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's the end of today's live. I'll be coming live more again. So the next time I'll be live is on Monday. So Monday morning, I'll do the morning analysis. I'll come live around 9:30 or 10. So stay tuned on Monday. I'll be back on live. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you comment. You hit that like, and also you can turn on the notification bell. So anytime I'm always on live, you can get notified that Dr. Forex is going live to do the analysis. I believe that YouTube is a safe place for us to do the analysis, other than doing the analysis on TikTok, because most of the time I'm getting banned on YouTube, on TikTok. That's why I opted to go live on YouTube. And Goldson bearish anyway. Any setup is a sell. Yes, gold is very bearish. So any setup is just a sell for me. For gold is bearish. Kindly note that gold is bearish. Don't try to push gold on a higher on to go against the trend. You can clearly see we have a reversal structure. And let me do the last thing to show you how you identify that the market is doing a reversal. So most of the time that how you identify that the market is doing a reversal is by doing the reversal structures. We know we have reversal patterns, like we have the head and shoulder, or the inverse head and shoulder, and all those ones. And then we have the, also you can clearly see that break, failure swing, and then change of character. That's why you can be able to identify that the market is doing a reversal structure. So for me, we had the reversal overhead, shoulders, and again break of structure, and then break, retest again. Those are the clear indication that the market is doing a reversal structures. Yes. So more comment on the comment section. Let's see. Can you tap the like of the live, so as you can tap? I see more types. I don't see a lot of tappers here. So on the YouTube channel, we have 10 likes only. Kindly tap the like button, guys. Kindly tap the like button. I have been live for more than 41 minutes. Okay. So how is your experience on YouTube live? How is your experience? Let me see on the comment section, a live chat. How's your experience? Is it much better? I believe like it's much better than the TikTok one, because I can be able to share my screen with you guys live on YouTube. Do you like it? Do you like it? Let me see on the comment section. If you like the live analysis on YouTube, tell me. Primarily saying the live analysis are good. Okay, let me see more comments. Let me see more comments on the how is your experience on the live. More comments, guys. More comments. Put that comment down there. Let's engage. We have more than 30 people live on YouTube. Let me see. And those on TikTok, currently I'm live on YouTube channel. So you have to, only you can access is going through to my YouTube channel as Dr. Forex, and there you can be able to see the analysis. So I'll repeat the analysis, the only setup that you got. So let me tell you how we do analysis. So as because I believe people are getting to adapt to the way I do analysis. So there's form way of my formula of doing analysis is going through my whole watch list. So I'm not glued, because a lot of people know that I trade GBP day in day out. To find me trading GBP because it's my favorite pair. But I do go through my watch list. The moment I go to my watch list, I do the analysis of all the pairs. After I've done the analysis of the pairs on my watch list, I find the pairs give me high probability, give me a good winning rate, give me a good positive feedback. Like, this is the best pair or the best market for me to venture into, because it gives me a high probability, because according to the analysis, it's aligning with the strategy that I use. So I'll go with the pair. Like, I trade GBP, but today we have done all these pairs. I didn't say about GBP I didn't talk about Euro USD. Yes, we did all the analysis, but I said we have only a setups. We have NZD and I said we have NZD AUD AUD card, and Euro AUD. Those are the only A setups we have, only 4 pairs. So you can check out them, have your pending orders, and so check out. So this is the last time, because I see a lot of people have joined on my live. So I'll do the full recap on the only pairs that we have checked. So the only pairs we have checked is on AUD I'm looking forward for buys on this order block on 4 hours. So keep coming back to my live. I think the next live I'll try to explain to you how you can check a valid order block, because I did it last time, so I don't think there's no need of me doing it again today. So we have AUDCHF. That's the pair. I'm looking forward for that setup. So I'll do the analysis again. So we have NZDCHF. The same case on NZDCHF, I'm looking forward for such setup on the NZDCHF on the 4 hours. The entry will be on the confirmation on the 4 hours. And the other thing is the Euro AUD, Euro AUD. I'm looking forward to have this entry from the order block on the 4 hours. That's the Euro AUD and Euro AUD card. Yes, on AUD card. Those are the views I have on those only for pairs. So can you tap, please kindly tap Bonteva and Tanda. Thank you so much. I think I saw you last time on my YouTube. So can you type yes if you are like, you like the analysis on YouTube, or we go back to TikTok, because I'm looking forward to get a UK TikTok. I'll get a new TikTok so that I can be able to share my screen. Forex Ninja, I can't share my live screen on my TikTok because I'll get banned. My TikTok is a Kenyan account, so it's not favorable for me. So I think that's the end of today. Unless anyone else has a question, we can call it a day. And I wish you a good day and a good weekend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So how to end this live? I'm trying to navigate, trying to learn more of understand this live. But thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. Okay. The first one, yes, always. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The last comment, let me see the comment before ends. Sponge Mpore saying yes, always. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Be blessed. Peace out.